Yeah.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. I am Master Captain Thomas Bigay. So, I've been working at sea for almost 4 decades already. So 24 hours we have on watch on the bridge. But during like import, they stay on the bridge, and the chief officers stay on the cadet for cargo operation, including all other crew like the bosun. They have 1 AB with them and 3 OS, ordinary seamen. And the quartermaster is staying on the gangway. The duty AB, they stay on the gangway.
May I ask one about during vessel undergoing sailing and berthing, how different the watch keeping?
During sailing, they are continuously rotating for bridge duty together with able seamen. They have 6 shifts. These are divided to 3 officers and 3 ABs, and they do 4-hour duty each team, and up to 24 hours while underway. But like here, coming alongside, the duty officers stay on the bridge. The off-duty officer is stay forward, and then the other one stay up for mooring, and the chief officer stays on the bridge with the captain. And the other crew, they help forward and up the station to tend the mooring lines. So that is when arriving. Departure also the same. The same. The duty officer stays on the bridge, and the off-duty officer stays on fore and aft mooring stations together with the other crew.
Chief officer must be away on the bridge?
Normally, the chief officer is staying on the forecastle, forward part of the vessel. But because I'm training the chief officer right now, because he will be in the next rank. So before promoting him to master, he must see what I'm doing on the bridge. So that's why this time I interchange the duties so that he can check what I'm doing during the maneuvering, especially coming alongside and going outside.
And the question, why is it important for watchkeeping officer to be fully alert and aware at the start of the watch?
Yeah, because you see sometimes, especially at night, dark. So he has to accustom his eyesight first coming to his duty. So normally they come on the bridge 15 minutes earlier. So have to adjust yourself to the environment before taking over the watch. Then after that, the outgoing officer will be leaving, and then they will do the watch. Then the other crew will change them also. They will come at least 15 minutes or so earlier than their duty to accustom their vision to the especially night time. Daytime is no problem because when you go, you can see everything already. But the normal practice, they come 15 minutes early before they do it. And it's very important because they have to know first what is happening around them before taking over the watch.
What information or reports must be handed over to the next watch officer before leaving the watch?
We have checklists actually because there are so many. We have checklists, so we just tick them because we cannot memorize actually because there are so many. KS15. Yung arrival departure like for example coming alongside, going up or docking or undocking, we do some checklist. Also taking over the watch, we have some checklist sa KS-15. I'll show you like this. This is for arrival departure checklist. We just check them one by one because very hard to memorize. So we have to detect any abnormal situation between our vessel and other vessel. So what we call this early detection, or we call this assertiveness, and we have to see what is going on around us using all available means like the radar, AIS, ECDIS. We use this all to see the situation. So we call it situational awareness. You have to be aware of all your surroundings so that you will not come up colliding with another vessel. Detection before.
What are the regulations for controlling alcoholic beverage on a global ship?
Actually, here we have also alcohol policy on our SMS, but the norm is you don't have to drink any alcoholic beverage 4 hours before your duty. That is the least. But our company is allowing some alcoholic intake. But you have to follow the rule that 4 hours before your duty you must not drink. And then you take your breathalyzer. We have this alcohol testing equipment, a small one, and we record it. We have it there on the bridge. Even on the engineers' engine room, they also have, even the other crew have to check themselves. And we record it, and we keep the record. We have to know whether you have alcohol or not. Otherwise, you are not allowed to do the duty.
Could I have a look at the deck logbook?
This is the deck logbook. Like during the watch, after the 4-hour watch, this is the one they log. You see, they will just mention the weather, like they pass, compared, course check, gyro error, nothing due to rain, light breeze, smooth seas, good visibility, anchor watch maintained, because we are at anchor before coming here. Then no sign of dragging observed. Watch relieved by third officer as per KS-153, because we cannot itemize those inside this manual. And then all's well. That's all. Some other items like here, but like they monitor also the course, gyro, magnetic, direction of wind, the force, the weather, barometer, visibility, wet and dry, temperature, sea temperature, then RPM. This is what inside the logbook. The position of the noontime position. Yeah, noontime. Third position, noontime. And then they put all the other items here. Hours underway, run, hours propelling, all other items. Every noon we calculate distances, and every hour position is listed now. Every hour position.
Next question: when should bridge equipment be inspected, and what are the key checks to perform?
Number 16, bridge equipment. Actually, most of the equipment are tested. Like we make some daily check on the
Daily check.
on other equipment. I will show you the record. This is This is the one we like daily test for this one, for this item. And ano ito sanggaling? This one VHF, this one MFHF, and some other items like here. This is weekly. In Marsat, this one MFHF weekly, VHF daily test, MFHF daily test, and then VHF radio telephone weekly. So we check them like some other items are checked daily, some are checked weekly. But radar is also being used every day, so they can see what is happening with the radar all the time.
What time do you record?
Normally, our time here is UTC. Radar used like they always check the radar in good condition during duty time. But the time they use UTC time. Then the duty officer checking is signing on the sign. So almost all equipment is frequently checked. So every time they use it, they have to see whether it's working good or not. We record here on the GSS log. This is all equipment included on the GME, Global Maritime Distress Signal. All equipment we include in checking here, like we check the radar. This have some examples on the forward. This is the example of what to do. This one, sample. Daily you check MFHF, weekly you check, and then monthly you check. But some other equipment we do not write here. Like we have 1735 for the maintenance plan. Kunin mo nga yung 1735. This includes other equipment, maintenance schedule. This includes other equipment like radar, for example, yung this itemized. Others that is not included here, we record here because we have this maintenance plan for the whole year, 2025.
Year plan.
Yeah, yearly plan. This is the completed one, December 2024, from January to December. And then this is the new one. So we make the, like here, all items around the ship. So everything is in here. My wife is calling me.
It's okay, Captain.
Last question.
This is collision regulation. Normally, we have to follow most of the time the rules of the road, so that most of the ships normally follow. So we all understand, like other ships coming. We use the normal way, like they also learn from the school. I also learned from the school. With whichever nationality it is, normally this collision regulation is international. So what we do, if we see some collision like danger, we have to call them first if they are still far. But if they are not responding, so we do our own action. We don't wait for others' action if they don't like to answer us.
It's important. It's a communicate.
Yeah, important is communication, but sometimes other nationality don't like to communicate. Maybe like difficulty in English sometimes. So what we do is we just act. Otherwise, we don't wait for them to. If they don't answer us, we just act.
We act first.
We act first. We don't want to wait until very close already.